Mostly cloudy with scattered showers and storms on Friday. Good Thursday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see as of about just after 6:30, we're still dealing with some showers from northward of Knox County up toward Tazewell, Morristown, La Follette, and Jellicoe. All this moisture trying to work its way to the north and east, but there'll be another round that comes in from the south and west. By the way, the Ultimate Doppler radar presented by Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953 with 5 convenient locations. Check it out. If you're overdue for an oil change, they can help you out and help you out with a new set of tires as well. Wind advisory is going to affect 8 o'clock tonight, run till 4 a.m. on Friday, so gusts around 50 miles per hour may be found in more common in the higher terrain. I don't expect it to be that windy here, but the winds will be out of the south, generally 15 to 30 sustained during that period of time heading into tonight. Meanwhile, there's more concerns for severe weather in yellow. Severe thunderstorm watch there popping up across the northern parts of Mississippi, and it's really in Mississippi. Some of that moisture will be headed in our direction, so more pop-up showers and storms will be possible even while we sleep tonight, so don't be surprised, although you may be surprised with a clap of thunder. Meanwhile, lots of clouds in place today. The thicker clouds are shaded in blue. These are the colder cloud tops, and some of these clouds have been leaking, as we know, because we picked up 1/3 of an inch as of 6 p.m. 6:48 was when the sun came up. 8:19, the sun goes down, but we have picked up 1/3 of an inch of rain, and we will be getting more. Our high was 62 degrees today. I was expecting 63 this morning, but we only hit 59 in places like Oak Ridge and La Follette, say around 63 for Morristown. While their airport, Moore Morrell Airport, still down for repairs. They did make it to about 61 there in Pigeon Forge and Sevierville today. 64 for Nashville, 62 in Chattanooga. Think about it, normal high is in the mid-70s. We were a far cry from that today. Showers and storms tonight. They will reappear. Showers and storms, I should say Friday. There should be an S there. But you'll notice we get a lot cooler heading into early parts of May. Now, I know it's not like cold in the sense it's not February. It's not cold in the sense like it's March. It's May. I mean, come on, it's May. So we're still talking about temperatures about 10, 15 degrees below normal, which would put us in the 60s for a good chunk of that time, and some of the mornings could be pretty brisk when we're in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Storm energy, where all the nasty storms will be fueled by. The areas in red are the strong areas. Where you see a little bit of gray, that's also some added energy to an already agitated storm system that moves toward parts of Panhandle, Florida, and into parts of South Georgia. We'll have the possibility of some thunderstorms tomorrow as well as this cold front slides through town, like so. But once it pulls away, tomorrow evening, we'll should be in the clear and see things improve quite a bit. Well, let me show you the colors from today and tonight. You can see there's some issues here in yellow. This would be the scattered severe storms I'm looking at here in northern Mississippi. They call that slight. It's really scattered severe storms. Also parts of Florida, South Georgia, eastern Florida, also under a slight risk, where Knoxville might get some thunderstorms, but they're not, I repeat, not expected to become severe in any way, shape, or form. It could rattle the window panes, but the tornado risk is still present tonight. From the Storm Prediction Center, they got about a 2% chance in green, 5% chance in brown, 2% chance in green near Tampa and South Georgia as well. So all this told, again, there's still some possibility of some nastier storms, but they would either occur far to the west or far to the south of East Tennessee. Now, what happens Friday? All this nasty weather reappears with a new front across parts of Texas. So the Lone Star State, under an enhanced risk for nasty storms around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Houston, scattered, what we call slight, and then marginal in dark green across the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida. So there's still a lot more to play through. Even though we're not necessarily out of the woods, we still have the possibility of some thunder tomorrow. And if there's some tornadoes on Friday, it could very well occur in the Dallas area. 5% there, 2% in green as we look at Friday. Most of the nasty storms could be, again, focused in the Lone Star State. Saturday, I don't think we're going to get any rain at all. At this point, some of the new data would suggest we're probably void of that, but there could be some isolated strong storms, severe storms in South Alabama and southern sections of Louisiana, for example. So here's the futurecast. So you can see this warm front is what's driving another round of showers and storms in tonight. There's 11 o'clock. Then we go into the overnight, Friday morning. Still see some showers at midday. Some of those could produce thunderstorms. But once that front moves away, by the time we hit the drive home tomorrow, things should start to improve. And you can see at midday Saturday, there's nothing to be found here in terms of rain. I don't even see the spotty rain being an issue in the Smokies anymore. It looks like it's pretty much gone. So there's 5 o'clock Saturday. Sunday, a southern system could bring in another round of showers like so. So I left us at a 40% chance of rain on Sunday. I don't think the low is going to track quite as north of Knoxville. I think it's going to be closer to Charlotte, but we'll wait and see how that plays out. Here's your valley planner for tonight. We're down in the mid-50s. Normal low would be in the lower 50s, about 52 now. But we'll be easing back into the mid-50s overnight, about 54 for Greenville, Morristown, and Crossville, about 55 for Athens, 53 La Follette, and 53 for Oneida in Scott County. Pair of 5s tonight. Showers and storms will continue to linger. Cloudy skies and winds light and variable, generally out of the northeast, 0 to 5. 74 my expectation tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Showers and storms, winds 5 to 15, could gust to 25 tomorrow. 76 for Newport, 76 for Tellico Plains, but only 69 for the heart of Cumberland County, Crossville, Crab Orchard, and Lake Tansy, about 73 for La Follette, Caryville, and Jacksboro on Friday. Speaking of Friday, we're in the mid-70s. I think Saturday is the pick day of the week. We are warmer, and low temperatures in the 50s, but then it gets colder. All of a sudden, Monday morning, you're like, oh, no, not again. Upper 30s? Really? Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Mid to upper 30s. We could be in the mid-30s in Oneida, La Follette, as well as maybe even to Jamestown. So that's something we'll watch. Mid-60s for highs on Tuesday. Wednesday back in the low 70s on Thursday. Thursday, again, normal high is 75 now, so even 71 technically is below normal, especially if you start the day off around 42 degrees. By the way, keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free. You can get all the reports that you normally hear on the radio right on the app. All you have to do is tap Pete Michaels' little box on the app. It's very easy to find. But keep you and your family safe. You do get weather alerts. That's key. But just search the words Captain Accurate, the App Store, Google Play. It also works on your iPad. Well, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.